everyone, this is Dany from Harmon, Puebla Juárez. And in today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at simple past versus present perfect. Now, let's look at an example. For example, I saw the movie last week, at a specific time in the past, last week, or I have seen the movie. I saw the movie at an unknown time in the past. Do you see the difference? I saw the movie last week, and I have seen the movie. Now remember your structure for simple past. It's just your pronoun, I, and your verb in past, saw. And in present perfect, we use your pronoun, I, plus have, plus your past participle, which in this case would be seen. Now, stay tuned for more about present perfect in our next video. Bye!